Alright, and welcome to the ultimate guide to Isosceles triangles, level 3. Now in this one, we're going to make this a little bit more complicated by adding an exterior angle. We're going to add an exterior angle. Okay, and I want y'all to just recall the property that we have a while back. We have a property that says any two remote interior angles. So let's think about this. We have any two remote interior angles, this one and this one. These two things will always have to add up to equal. They will have to add up to equal the third exterior angle. So if I know what this angle at J and this angle at F are, I can simply add those and get over here. Okay, now let's kind of look, how does this triangle being isosceles play into this? Well, let's see here. We have an isosceles triangle, and we want to find the measure of DKJ, so we're trying to find the measure of our exterior angle. We're given KJF is 7x plus 3, so let's see, KJF is 7x plus 3, and KFJ, let's see, KFJ is down here, is 4 parentheses 5x minus 10. So basically, once we can solve for x, we can plug it back into this angle and just add these two things back up together. Okay. And because this is isosceles, well, what do I know about these two angles? Well, they must be congruent. So, because they're both the base angles of the isosceles triangle. So I have 7x plus 3 plus 4 parentheses 5x minus 10 close parentheses equals, I'm sorry. I don't add them together. What did we just say? We said that they are congruent, so I set them equal. 4 parentheses 5x minus 10. And y'all have my apologies. Okay, now from here, let's go ahead and distribute our 4 because we want to simplify that right side. And so we can say 4 times 5x is 20x, and 4 times negative 10 is negative 40. From here, let's just follow our rules. We can subtract 7x from both sides. And now I have 3 is equal to 13x minus 40. I know I can get rid of this minus 40 by adding 40 to both sides. And check it out. I have 43 is equal to 13x. Now from here, I can divide both sides by 13. And check it out. X is equal to, it's going to be 3 point something. I'm going to guess something like 3.42-ish. Let's see here. I'm pulling up my calculator. And we can say, okay, 43 divided by 13 is 3.31. Okay, so I was off by a couple, about a tenth place. That's okay. And so now we have this. Now, notice what we have to do is we now have to say, okay, let's plug this into one of our base angles, so maybe like the 7x plus 3, where x is going to be this x value we found of 3.31. And then let's go ahead and do a little bit of calculations here. So we can say, okay, well, 7 times 3.31, that's going to be 23.17 plus 3. When I add that 3, of course, it's going to be 26.17 degrees. Now remember, that is just one of my base angles of that isosceles triangle. So let me just kind of do this. I'll write this in this nice little blue color here, 26.13. That means that this base angle down here is also 26.13. And because of the property we talked about earlier where we said any exterior angle is the sum of our two remote interior angles, all I have to do is just add 26.13 plus 26.13. Let's see, 26.13 plus 26.13 is going to be 52.26. It's a cool number, 52.26. And that will in fact be the measure of our exterior angle, 52.26. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Now I want you to know that every property discussed in here will be applicable to the following two problems. However, they are going to be a little bit different. So really take everything you've learned through levels 1 through 3 up to this point, and you'll have to kind of apply all of them to answer problems 2 and 3. Alright, I'll catch y'all in our next video.